Okay, this is a tutorial for how you configure the router and the computers. This is going to be helpful for your SA summative assessments. So first we'll install the router, or we will add the router. So I will choose router, I will choose devices, then I will choose router. For example, I can place my router here. Then I will choose switch. From here, switch, and this is our switch is 2960, right? Is this or was it 29502? Which one is written in your? I think I gave you 2960. Yeah. Okay, so we put it here. For example, this is one floor. Okay. This is one way of doing it, and then we'll add another one here. 2960. All right. Now I'm going to connect the router to the switches. So I'll click on the router. Sorry. I'll choose the cable, click on the router, choose Giga Ethernet 0, connected to the router, to the switch. The same thing on the other side. Again, to the switch here. Are we done yet? No. We have to configure our router. Click on the router. You go to configure. Choose the first interface. This one is connected to which network? To the left. So we will give the IP address. For example, in our exercise, 10.0.0.1. Okay. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.255.0. Okay. And then make sure to switch it on. You see here, switch it on. So we are done with the first interface. You see how it turns to green? You see here how it became green? Now I'll go to the second interface. I'll give it an IP. First of all, I'll turn it on. I'll give an IP address 10.0. That one was 0. Now this one will be .1. Okay, .1. And the subnet mask is the same. And then we just do you want to give it a name? We can give it a name also, no problem. We can give this router a name. Global settings. Yeah, here we can give a name. Let's say we can say, what did they ask you to name it? You can put your ID and name here, all right? So let's say, for example, router M, and then the last 3 digits, whatever, okay? The same thing will be the host name here. Here we call it router M2. Okay. You make sure to take screenshot of this page, okay, once you are done. So we are done here. Now let's say I will connect a computer to this switch. Click here. Let's say we are adding a server here, okay. I need to connect my server, so I'll choose here, click here. This is a cable going from my switch, fast Ethernet 01, to the server, fast Ethernet 0. Now this server, we need to configure it, okay? Desktop IP configuration. What is the IP address of this computer? We will put, for example, 10.0.0.2 or .3. Okay, subnet mask is what I have told you before, 255.255.255.0. Okay. Default gateway, what will be the gateway here? It will be my router interface, 10.0.0.1. Now we can close. We want to give it a name. Also, we can give it a name here. We can call it server. And then let's say and the last 3 digits, whatever, of my ID, for example. Now, how do I ping? Look, please, how do I check my connection? If I go to the router here, okay, this is my router, okay, all good. Now I'll go to the server, okay, desktop, choose desktop, and then choose command prompt. You see command prompt, click on it. Now we can ping 10.0.0.1. That's our router. You see, I am getting response. Very good. You take screenshot of this. I am recording it. I am recording this. All right. Okay. Now, how do I check my IP configuration also? I need you to include this in your answer sheet. How do I check the IP address, my IP address? If I type the command ipconfig, it will show me my computer IP address is .3 and the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. Okay, this gives you an idea how to connect your computer. Now let's say I want to add an access point to my network. So I'll go here, select components, devices, sorry, yeah, here you see this is the sign for wireless device. Okay, this is, click on it. Okay, which one did you choose? APPT. Which one did they give you? APPT, huh? This one. Okay, we'll put it here for example. Okay, now I need to connect a cable, so I'll choose from here Giga Ethernet 0 port 0. All right. See, it's on. It's on. That's good. Done. Now I want to connect. Look here. I want to connect a laptop, Wi-Fi. So I'll come here. I'll choose a laptop. All right. And then I'll open my laptop. You see here, it does not have a Wi-Fi card. You see here, it does not have a Wi-Fi card. So I need to switch it off. It's switched off now. Now I need to add a wireless card. Where is it? Which one is it? Which one did they ask you to use? The first one? Yeah, this is the wireless. You see this one here? The wireless module. I will put it here. Done. Now I'll turn it on. My laptop now is working. Configure fast Ethernet. We'll give it an IP address. Okay. 10.0.0. Let's say 4. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, and it's on, all good. Global settings, you can give it a name also, all good. So we'll close it. Now my laptop is configured. Any questions? Save your work. So we click on save. We'll give it a name. The same thing we can do on the other side, on this computer, on this switch. And this is a good tutorial for your exercise, for your assessment. All right.